G'day guys, Carla from Over Go Travel. Today I've got a couple of new Olight torches I want to show you, and I will end up doing two videos on this. So I've got a brand new Warrior Mini in Desert Camouflage, and I've got the brand spanking new Javelot Pro 2 as well. So again, in Desert Camo, this thing, it comes in its own like waterproof case. That's cool. We'll start off with the Warrior 3. So this is sort of a bit of a mix between the Warrior and the MR2 Pro, but 300 meters, 230 lumens. What do we got in the box? Usual Olight bits and pieces, nice magnetic box. We'll have magnetic charger in here and instructions. I know I've said it a million times, but I do love these magnetic MCC chargers. They are the best things ever. Little instruction quick start guide, which basically just says there will be a... Well, that's nice. That's very nice. Basically just says that there is a bit of plastic in the back of this torch for safety for when they ship it. So pull that out, get rid of that. While we're in here, 21700, 5000 milliamp, 3.6 volts battery, so nice big battery on her. How good is this colour? This colour is cool. I like the colour. I really like it. It's like a dark brown, that bronzy, and then blue. I think it's cool. It's like brown, gold and blue. What do we got? So, battery indicator on the side shows you what mode it's in. Just hold it down to cycle through the modes. So from off, just hold it in, and then it'll go into lock mode. So it's nice and simple. And then to unlock it, just hold it and then it unlocks. Good to go again. It does have the two buttons on it as well. So it's got the quick tactical button on the back to get into turbo mode, which I do love that. I think that's the best thing about these Olight torches. I love that quick button, but I also like having something to cycle through the modes on the side as well. So it does come with a Olight sheath. Got the little hanging D-ring. Also got the molly attachment, and it's also got the belt loop. Whilst the sheaths aren't anything exceptional, I still think they're a good, simple, good sheath. You won't have any dramas with them, I don't think. A little bit of fabric over the push button, pops out. The other thing that I did also like about this is you've got the Olight two-directional pocket clip, but as you can see, the groove that it sits into, you've actually got one of them at the back as well, so you can take that off and put it the other way if you want to. Hopefully you don't scratch it. But yeah, so you can put the pocket clip up the bottom, the back side of it, if that's the way you prefer to have it in your pocket. Got the quick push tactical button, turn it on. So one full press turns it on turbo. What does that give you? Which gives you that 2300 lumens. Half press it turns it onto that lower mode. Still very bright on that lower mode. And then full press turns it to turbo. I want to try and, I don't know if I'll capture this, but it's got some cool, in the cutouts, it's got some cool patterns on it. Like some cool little triangle grooves. The bezel is also like a tactical bezel as well. So theoretically you should be able to break glass with it. Looking at it, don't know. You might be able to, you might not. I'm probably not going to have the time to test that out before this video goes live. As far as the pattern goes though, I love this desert tan camo. I love the brown, gold and blue. This thing looks good. Also you've got like a, again, I don't know how I'm going to show this, but it's got plenty of texture around the switch. So another thing is if you put it on a flat surface, it shouldn't roll away. Like it should be easy enough to find purchase. Alright, so the technical features, like I say, on that turbo mode, it throws a beam 300 meters. Another thing worth pointing out too, actually, before I go too much into technical stuff, and again, it'll be hard to see just because of the colour of it. It's got Olight's new back on it, which is designed to put the weapon switch attachment on it. So this, being a tactical torch, is ideally designed to mount on a rifle or a pistol, well, probably not a pistol, but on a rifle. And then you can have the hand switch, so when you are lining something up and shoot, you just push the button on the down near your trigger and turns the light on. So perfect for spotlighting. Like, this torch is a thrower, not necessarily a floodlight. On the max brightness on that turbo mode, 2300 lumens, and that'll stay on for 2.5 minutes. And then obviously it steps down as all the Olight torches do. On that next level down, it's got 800 lumens, and then that'll step down to 250 lumens, but that 800 will run for 166 minutes. Level 3 is 200 lumens, and that'll run for 13 hours. Level 4 is 15 lumens, and that'll run for 130 hours. It also has a moonlight mode, so with the moonlight mode, that'll run for 55 days, should you need it. It's got a strobe mode. So how do we get into this strobe mode? Normally it's just a triple click. Yeah, so triple click strobe mode. Quite fast, quite bright. Again, I've never actually had to use a strobe mode. If nothing else, just the pattern. I absolutely love this pattern. That's moonlight mode. I'll hold this button. Medium, high, low, and I don't think that's actually going in turbo. I think I need to charge it. As I've come to expect from all Olight torches, quality-wise feels awesome. Weight-wise, there's nothing to it. It's IPX8 waterproof. The weight is 176 gram with the battery, so it doesn't really weigh that much. 140 mil long, so 140 mil in length, and then the diameter of it is just under 30 mil, 29.5 mil. So it's not a huge torch, but definitely for what it can do power-wise, it seems okay. I will say I am a sucker for the Olight Special Limited. So with these Desert Camo, there's 8,000 of these released worldwide. So if you want one of these Desert Camos, get in quick because they will sell out. All the special edition Olight colours always sell out quick. It's important for me to say that Olight did give me this torch to make a video on it. This doesn't change my opinion of them. I still think Olight torches are good quality torches. And I really like this one, mainly for the colour. And you know, the style, I do like the style of it too. If you want to buy one of these Olight torches, any of them, I would love for you to use my affiliate link. Olight's Black Friday sale is happening live right now. If you want one of these Warrior 3s in this camo, it'll set you back $132.97, or call it 133 bucks. The normal price is $190, so definitely a good time to be buying one of these if you want one. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. What do you think of the Desert Camo with the gold and the blue? I quite like it. I think it's good, but what do you think? Comment it below. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. And until next time, go travel.